Well, good morning, class Earth. Now, today we are going to discuss, we are going to explain History chapter number 2 from Trade to Territory. Before this, I want to tell you that we have already studied one chapter in history, one in geography, and one in civics, and hope that you have already completed your notebook copies. If not, then complete it, because very soon, when the date of the periodic assessment announced, your copies would be called for correction. Thank you. So, let us start the chapter History chapter number 2 from trade to territory. From trade मतलब means ट्रेड मीन्स व्यापार, टेरिटरी मीन्स साम्राज्य। व्यापार से साम्राज्य तक, दिस इज द टाइटल ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। इट मीन्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी समथिंग अबाउट द ब्रिटिशर्स। The previous class we have studied that the Mughals built a vast empire covering almost the entire India. In previous class means when we have studied about the medieval period, at that time we have studied that the Mughals covered a vast empire, almost the entire India, and in the entire India their reign would be followed, which was disintegrated after the death of Aurangzeb in 1707. But when the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was died in 1707, the whole kingdom was disintegrated, divided. The vast nation was travelled by various Western powers like British, French, Dutch, and Portuguese in search of sea routes towards the east and finding the trade opportunities. So, now in this chapter, we will have to study about the different European companies, their motives, and how East India Company expanded its trade to Indian territories. Territory. The Portuguese were the first group of European traders to reach India in search of Indian spices, silk, textile, indigo, and saltpeter, potassium nitrate used in making gunpowder. So, the Portuguese were the first European group who came to India as a trader in search of the Indian spices, their uh, goods on which they start their trading was Indian spices, silk, textile, indigo, and saltpeter. Saltpeter nowadays it is known as potassium nitrate, which is used to make gunpowder. After the war with Turks, the European trader decided to find new sea routes to India. But when they fought a war with Turks, the European traders decided to find new sea routes to India. The Portuguese were followed by the Dutch. After Portuguese, Dutch were come. The English. After Dutch, English were come, and thereafter French were come. Their primary aim was to capture the profitable trade of Asia. All these have a single motive: to capture the profitable trade of Asia. The Portuguese landed at Calicut and made their settlement in Goa. Portuguese Calicut पहुंचे. Portuguese landed at Calicut and made their settlement in Goa, Daman and Diu. The policy followed by the different European powers to trade with India and exchange their goods with Indian goods for making immense profit is called mercantilism. So, in next video we will have to study about Portuguese, English East India Company, Dutch East India Company and French East India Company. Thereafter Carnatic Wars. So, thank you for today. In next video we will have to discuss about the further.